Good morning from Monterosso. Hanging clothes right next to the ocean side.
So that's our Airbnb with the door right there. And then that's like the side. So all these little apartments. And then you can see the church tower right there. And that thing's hella loud. It'd be ringing every hour, but it sounds cool. And then we have the view. Whoa. And we also have this little chillin' area. Little garden. Ready for the sun. It's really hot out there, so I'm gonna get tan. I'm gonna get closer to Paz color.
We made it.
Made it.
First food of the day.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Oh, these look delicious. Fast bar. Alright, smack or whack? Knockout. So good. We ate that up in like 5 minutes. Okay, this is the Airbnb tour. Getting ready to go to the beach in a little bit. This is a really nice Airbnb, hella nice. We have a nice kitchen. Bedroom number 1. Bedtime. We can come over here. We have all of our stuff, luggage, and like changing room, extra bed for the day if you want to lay down, take a nap. Pink bathroom, just like the round one, but this one's nicer. It's not as creepy. Yeah, pretty open, lots of shelf space. A handy dandy washer. We already washed today. Yep, very nice.
Today is a beach day.
In the water! Ah, look, I'm wet. Hot Joseph. Out in the wild.
Hello family.
Ciao.
First impression of the beach in Monterosso.
It's crowded, but it's not too bad. The water is fresh and it's pretty blue.
Yeah, it's crowded, yes, for sure. I kind of feel like it adds to the uniqueness of being in Monterosso. And honestly, it's not too, like, crazy.
I think we came like peak hour too.
Yes. It's really nice. There's a way to go. Wow. Wow. Go. Whoa.
Kind of cool at first.
Yeah, but once you start moving, it's good. It's so nice. So nice. Wow.
Coco. Macho. Coco. I got coco and macho.
I got a coffee frappe. Kitty.
I think here I would probably.
It looks so big. It doesn't do it justice, but it looks huge. Thank you so much. We're enjoying the views. second gelato of the day.